Are you looking for a great computer course, one that gives you all the information that you need to kickstart a career in IT, but without all the waffle? My IT Fundamentals course on Udemy teaches you Python programming, SQL and databases, web development, mobile apps in Java and computer science. I've designed it to focus on all the most highly paid skills in IT, all in one course that you could complete in under a week. Get up to speed in IT with a fast, practical guide to what you need to know to start a new career in computing. It's packed with useful information, delivered in an engaging style, using free-to-use software backed up with real-world experience from an award-winning e-learning developer. Join the thousands that I've trained over the last 28 years, and I promise you that you'll enjoy it. And if not, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. What have you got to lose? Come on in, and I'll save you a chair. Well, a virtual chair at any rate. You'll also learn HTML, CSS, PHP, FTP, TK, into MySQL, Workbench, Android Studio, GUI, servers, firewalls, testing, advice on IT jobs, and lots more besides. No conditions apply, anyone can have a go really. So click the link and start now. It'll be the best decision that you've made all day.